Are you asking AI things like, give me the best niche, or create a best-selling Etsy design? If yes, stop. Watch this first. Everyone is talking about using AI to build an Etsy business in 2026. Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini. But here's the uncomfortable truth nobody wants to say out loud. Most people are using these tools completely wrong, and it's costing them time, money, and months of wasted effort. Before we continue, let's clarify something important. AI are just tools. However, do you know the correct question to ask? Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to use AI the right way, based on real workflow for a print-on-demand shop. Print-on-demand store still works the same way as any online store. You need strong brand, good products, appealing designs, and listings people want to click on. Claude or any other AI will help you move faster. But if there is no foundation, then you will fail even faster. Fact 1. AI cannot manufacture the demand. You can ask Claude or ChatGPT or any other AI for idea, but make sure to double-check it with product research tool. Or you can try a simple Etsy or Amazon search to check the sales and trending of the idea. This is the biggest trap I see right now. Sellers use AI to create faster, but they skip the research phase entirely. They're shipping products into a vacuum. Fact 2. Working with AI is not one prompt. It's a workflow. Here's the trap most sellers fall into. They open Claude, type one mega prompt. Find me a winning niche, write the listing, design the product, build the brand, and expect everything back in 30 seconds. What they get is generic mush, nothing they can actually ship. The right way is break the task into steps. Run them as a chain. Each step's output becomes the next step's input. Step 1, pick the niche. Step 2, feed the niche back to Claude and dig into the customer. Step 3, feed the customer profile in and ask for the design angle. Step 4, feed the angle in and write the listing. By the time you reach the listing, Claude already knows your niche, your customer, your design, and your angle. The context compounds. The output gets sharp. That's the difference between using Claude as a vending machine and using it as a strategist. Fact 3. AI need human direction. AIs are fast. Faster than you at synthesizing reviews, drafting copy, structuring research. However, it doesn't know your main position, your specific customer, your brand voice, and whether the design you're about to ship feels like you or feels like a stranger. When you tell AIs, create a best-selling design for the nurse niche, you'll get something that sounds right and sells nothing. Because Claude or ChatGPT doesn't know which nurse. Pediatric or ICU? Day shift or night shift? 25 or 55? Buying for herself or for a colleague? Until you tell it, it's guessing. So here's how to fix that. A great Etsy design prompt needs to answer 5 questions. The first one, who is the specific customer? Second, how should the customer feel emotionally? Third, when and why are they buying the product? Fourth, what specific design style should the product follow? And the last one, what makes the product stand out and more likely to sell on Etsy? Here's what that looks like filled in. So here's the bottom line. If you're watching videos hoping Claude or ChatGPT or any AI will magically build a successful Etsy business for you overnight, it's probably the wrong expectation. But if you already understand the fundamentals, how to research demand, how to create for a specific audience, how to position a product, then AI can absolutely help you scale faster and operate more efficiently. The sellers who will win in 2026 are not the ones generating the most AI content. They're the ones building better brands, better systems, and better customer experiences, while using AI strategically behind the scenes. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to Merchize for more POD insights. Bye!